This is the catch of the day.
We're gonna be in a tank. We're gonna be in
Oh,
a.
he broke off.
You know what? It'll still be to be seen. Today, oh, fish on. Look at that bend in that rod.
This was not the 40-pounder I lost, but the current is cooking right here, so. But he's, oh God. No, he's all right. All right, coming back to you, Austin. Woo. That's the big fish of the day.
Yep, the biggest fish of the day.
Fish it. There's a nice fish. Look at that long fish, dude.
There we go. This one.
Yeah, we got you.
What's up, y'all? It's Sean from Team Snag and Whiskers. We're heading out to the James River this afternoon, and the shad run has just started on the James River. So I'm gonna meet Austin with Fishing and Fever, and we're gonna take a look and see what's going on with the shad run, see if we can't catch some of the shad. Looking forward to this trip. Should be exciting.
What's happening? How y'all doing? How's the trip?
We're driving. The trip it's been great.
Good.
Nice. How far? Can you give your location, or is that something you're not giving?
Oh, absolutely. We're in West Virginia in an undisclosed location.
Yeah, I knew that was coming.
Awesome.
We got 2 shad head and then big shad body pieces.
Yep.
Awesome.
Trying to remember. I think shad head is on.
One has a shad head.
1 and 5. 1 and 5 have shad heads.
I can't.
Somebody was in our famous spot over here, but they've moved now. I think we may slide over there in a second.
Uh-oh.
And it was really funny. I said, I know that it's not, but it looked just like Dieter Melhorn.
It did look like Dieter Melhorn. Let's reel them in.
Awesome apparel.
Hey, we're going to reel them in and move over to a hot spot here.
All right, we're going to drive.
Oh, got a bite.
We like to fish. He caught me.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Hey, we got some action on the boat.
Oh no, we got fish on.
We got a fish on.
See, the undisclosed location works. Fish on, Beaver.
Fish on. I never. It's a good one.
Is that on an Ancient Mariner reel?
That's on an Ancient Mariner. Oh man, we got a good one. I guess I ought to help him.
I guess you should.
You
just sit right there.
I don't go fishing. I don't have the net ready. Jan 2 is not ready.
Right. I'll unplug it, plug it back in. It'll reconnect, no problem. But every now and again, if I do it, it won't do anything until you shut the truck off, turn it back on. And that is all I have to say about that.
All right, we got a skunk buster.
Here we go. Hey,
Woo!
it's not a bad little guy.
Little female.
That's awesome. We've had fish. We've officially had 2 fishing live streams today.
That's right.
We've had fish on both of them now.
That's right.
That's.
See, camera guys can catch fish too.
I know.
We're gonna throw her back.
Hey, fish is a fish.
She's probably 7, 8 pounds, maybe 6, 7 pounds.
Are you kidding me? That looks 22.2 all day long.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. Inches? We're talking inches?
Yeah, we got all time.
On President's Day, Dustin. There we go. Reel him, get him. There you go. Oh yeah, fish on. Let's see. Oh, that's a pretty good view.
You can exit some of them. Sorry, I'm so what are you doing? I'm confused.
All right.
We got a big one.
Got a big one.
Got a big
Yeah,
one.
look at that rod big.
Woo!
Come on, Sean, pull it in.
Looks like a shark.
Get in the net.
Get in the net. There we go.
It's a beauty.
There we go.
A beautiful specimen.
There we go. Maybe 8 pounds.
Is there any mud on him?
Say it again.
Is there any mud on him?
Nah.
Nah, but
No mud.
she's scraped up because she's been up in these rocks and timber.
Gotcha.
Let's see how much she weighs.
Let's say 7.9.
7.9.
Yeah.
Getting a bite. Woohoo! Just like that. Fish on. Fish on. Fish number 3. Let's go.
Fish and finger, fish on.
James River's hot today. Woo!
Definitely watching out for that video. Sweet.
Here we
It's
go.
like, was it John Candy?
We got another.
Hell yeah.
We got another tore up James River blue cat.
That thing's long. He's probably in the 30s. The length.
There she is.
That's gonna be a big fish. Yeah.
Y'all can see how tore up these fish are, swimming in these rocks and all this timber.
Wow.
Oh yeah, still a beautiful fish. Long fish. I think this fish has pretty good genes. She looks like she's gonna be a mondo someday.
Yep, that's what we were just saying.
And that's why we're gonna throw her back.